In this video I will give you a quick overview how to set up NodeMCU and all prerequisites to blink the diode, embedded diode, and use MQTT server, and what commands do you need to perform to make it work. So we will start with VS Code. It is Visual Studio Code editor that allow you to write the code. I have it installed and installed the platform EO extension. You can check my video where I share this. I've already opened the project from GitHub. You can do this by pressing clone repository button, clone from GitHub, and choose it from here, or press this button when you in code section, just clone, and it will be in VS Code. So next we need to have NodeMCU unit. Here it is. You can see it is connected. So then we need Yandex Cloud account. I've already registered. It's free. And we need Postman and Yandex Cloud CLI to perform requests. It's something like command from your PowerShell that you need to install. It's working with Linux, macOS, Windows, and link for the installation I will provide in README MD. It's here. So when you registered on Yandex Cloud, you should create the registry. I think I should show you the main screen. It's like the console, and you choose your IoT core. Now you just push create registry button, and here it is. Its name, ID, description, certificate. Certificate we can create with this command. Open SSL, rec, etc. Additional info you can find here. For registry and for device, certificates should be different. I put it in different folders and generate it separately. And here's my device. It's active. Here it's ID. Just to make it work, to make all setup work, we should add some settings to the VS Code. Just open include folder and secret H. This is your SSID name. I've prepared one for this test. It is test Wi-Fi, and its password is this one. Yandex Cloud device ID you can find here. This one is device ID. Just put it here. MQTT device password. I couldn't show you this, sorry for that. But when creating a device, you should specify the password. It is its ID, it's not the password, but when you create the device you should provide the password, and MQTT password, it's device password, so just fill in device password. After that, press save button, and for clarification, I make a version change every time I edit the file. Let's take a quick look about its structure. This file was taken from this example. So here we have a root certificate. It's for verification of our certificates. Then we have Wi-Fi setup, pub sub client. It is this dependency, platform IO, this one, pub sub client. Then debug serial baud rate. It's the speed on which we connect to serial interface. Here we see the print, debug serial print. These messages we can see when device is connecting to when device print something to its serial, and we can see it in terminal just to debug or to understand on what part of the core the device is now. So this is connect to Wi-Fi. This one is connect to IoT core. Every second it is try to connect to Wi-Fi, and when it is connected, the cycle is broken, and we go to the next step. Just the same for connecting to the Yandex IoT. We try to connect to it every 1 second and print dot upon every try. After we connect, we print connected, and publish OK. Then we see subscribe to and topic to which we have subscribed. So this code show us the content of the message that we've received from the topic. And this part is switching the LED, built-in LED. And I should mention one more thing. Wait a minute. Yes. So low it is turn the LED on, and high turn the LED off, and it is based on payload that is received from the MQTT server. And payload 0, this means the first symbol of payload. Now set up this part of the code executed only once. So this line tell the NodeMCU that we should use LED, built-in LED. Without this line, the code wouldn't work. And this open the serial, debug serial port with specified baud rate, and this is just print out device started. This prints out device version. This is for setup for Wi-Fi. This is set up MQTT server, MQTT port, and message received. This is this part, just to be clear. And in this loop we perform connect connection to the Wi-Fi, to the IoT Yandex cloud. So just press Ctrl S and build. We should wait a little bit. Build success. Now to flash the device, we just push upload button, and we see the LED is blinking, is flashing. Now it flashed, and we should connect to the serial monitor, and this part of messages we could put just push a reset button to see all the messages that are printed to the serial. So just device started. This is version. Now we're connecting to Wi-Fi. Version needs to determine if we have correct firmware. Just you make some changes, put next version, and when the device is started, you see that the code was uploaded, corrected, and it is new code. That is why I use this version. So we can see that we are connected, and subscribed to this topic. And to check how it is working, we will do we will send the message to this topic with the help of terminal. I will show you. Just this command. This command we in the folder. So let me show. Of registry certs, cert PEM and private key PEM. So we could launch this command, and this cert would be taken to send command to this topic. As you can see, it is identical, and it is device ID. We can this device ID ARET0. So just press enter, and we see the payload. The payload is 0. So we can see that the diode was switched off. Let's switch it on. We should message 1, and we can see that this diode is on. So what I want to tell you, so this connection is very secure, and the reason the reason for choosing this type of connection is that the MQTT server is reliable, and we use certificates and passwords to log into devices to transmit messages. It is fully secured. So that's why I am using this kind of connection. And as an alternative, a lot of MQTT servers is using just no authorization, or just is using device ID, and I think it is not secure. But you can use less complicated solution instead of provided in this guide. So this link, the link to this guide will already published in here in README file, and it is pretty straightforward. create registry, create device. So this guide shows how to install Yandex Cloud command line interface for different operating system, and it is you should do YC init with your OAuth token. You can take this token from this page. Yes, you can press go to this link, and you will get your token. Don't share it with anybody. And EM token, it's authorization bearer. In Postman, I will show you. Here is Postman, and here is the device ID. Here is authorization. This EAM token has about 12 hours of expiration. This one is already expired. So the main things that you should take into consideration is that the request is of type POST, that authorization is of type bearer token, and here is IAM token that was taken via this curl bash command, and in body you should use raw, and MA and double equals signs, it is 1 or 0, I can't remember, and this data is the same as payload in message here, or payload in this part. So it's the same, but it sends in bytes, and this is the topic that we want to send data to. And this is not device ID, it is registry ID. I'm sorry, it's registry ID. Let me confirm. Devices, yes, it's registry ID. I will put this link into readme.md so you can use it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me in comments. Have a nice day.